Hello, and welcome to Empire Communities. My name is Melanie, and I'm here to introduce you to our CARE program. CARE is our commitment to you. Our goal is to deliver total customer satisfaction and involvement, an attitude of continual quality, building relationships, and overall excellence. First, congratulations on purchasing your new Empire home. Buying a new home can be exciting, but worrisome at the same time, as this is the largest investment most of us will make in our lifetime. We've put this video together to guide you through the many steps of the home buying process and to give you some valuable information about your new home so that the process is smooth and stress-free for you. Empire has been building homes for over 20 years and has established a tradition of creating award-winning communities. We've also earned a reputation for outstanding customer service. Whether you're a first-time buyer, an experienced new home buyer, or have even bought an Empire home in the past, by the end of the video, I hope to convey to you that Empire is constantly in the process of listening to our homeowners and continuously improving, and that is what sets us apart from other builders in the industry. So rest assured that you purchased a quality home from a reputable builder. Your agreement of purchase and sale is an important document containing legal and binding information about both your own and Empire Communities' commitments. It's important that you take some time to go over this document and consult a solicitor if you have any questions. Any changes must be made through a written amendment, which can be done at the sales office. It's important to provide us with your solicitor's name and contact info as soon as possible to ensure a smooth transition for closing. If you move before your new home closes, please provide our sales office with your updated contact information and updated email address so that we can keep you informed of various milestones during the building process of your home. One of the best parts of buying a new home is being able to choose all the fabulous features and finishes that will make your home truly your own. We'll be contacting you to schedule an appointment based on your closing date, which will be scheduled on a weekday during regular business hours. You will receive an orientation binder that outlines some of the options available to you approximately 1 month prior to your design center appointment. To give you ample time and opportunity to personalize your home, we encourage you to browse through the Design Center on weekends from 1 to 5 p.m. prior to your appointment. At the Design Center, we'll review all the selections available to you so you may personalize your home. For example, some items that will be discussed are larger basement windows, 3-piece rough-ins in the basement, cold cellars, cabinet styles and color selections, countertop choices, flooring, interior trim and door styles, and hardware. It's important that all scheduled appointment times are kept to ensure we meet all target dates based on your closing date. Your community has its own building team, which includes a superintendent who oversees all aspects of the on-site construction. Your site supervisor works with management, staff, trade partners, quality assurance, and safety representatives to ensure the quality and accuracy of your home. Your community also has an administrator who will be in touch with you to schedule your frame walk and to provide your keys on closing day. Our handymen are also an integral part of preparing and assisting with the finishing components of your home. At Empire Communities, we build the majority of our homes based on a minimum 140-day schedule, from excavation to final closing. We monitor approximately 55 tasks that must all be completed on time to ensure that your closing date is not delayed. The concept is to not only meet the closing date, but to reach each stage of construction on time, thus allowing the proper time to move on to the next stage. There may be slight changes to the order of certain tasks due to trade availability or weather. To help us stay on track and meet all our deadlines, it's critical that design center appointments are completed as scheduled. We must complete both structural and color selections as quickly as possible in order to make sure your home is ready for you and your family to move in. Empire Communities wants you to be involved. We're proud to be building your home and want to involve you in the construction process. We have several methods of letting you know how things are progressing with your home. A member of our construction team will let you know when we've begun construction on your home. You will receive 3 emails letting you know. 1, when we've excavated your home, 2, when your roof has been completed, and 3, when we've finished drywalling. Once the framing is complete, you will have an opportunity to walk through your new home during construction. This is called a supervised frame walk. A member of our construction team will call you to arrange the frame walk once framing is complete and the heating, plumbing, and electrical distribution systems have been installed. You will be accompanied by the site supervisor. The frame walk will take approximately 1 hour and will be scheduled on weekdays during regular business hours. We encourage you to take advantage of this appointment to view your home before the drywall is installed. We have a dedicated customer care team that works at head office, who are available to answer any questions you may have throughout the construction process. Call the toll-free number. They can provide you with the following: construction schedule of your home, milestones, status of your closing date, community inquiries, utility information, general inquiries, and delayed closings or accelerations. Construction sites are dangerous places. For your own safety and due to insurance regulations, we request that you only come to the construction site if accompanied by an Empire representative. We cannot be responsible for any injury that occurs during an unaccompanied visit to the construction site. During your frame walk visit, you will be accompanied by an Empire agent at all times. We ask you to wear protective footwear and will provide you with a hard hat. As your family's safety is very important to us, we also ask that you not bring your children under the age of 16. Empire Communities does not permit any work to be done by a homeowner prior to the transfer of title taking place. This is due to safety and liability concerns that may impede with our inspection and certification process. Many inspections are conducted on your home, and each one is very important in the construction process and the meeting of your closing date. These include municipal inspections. Your home undergoes a rigorous set of inspections by the municipality to ensure construction complies with the Ontario Building Code. Building Department conducts the footing, backfill, framing, and exterior final inspections. Heating Department conducts the distribution systems, insulation, and final inspections. Plumbing Department conducts distribution systems, basement drains, and final inspections. The city or township you reside in also conducts an inspection of your home's grading and external services. Electrical is inspected by ESA at Ruffin, meter and final inspection. Building plans are reviewed and approved prior to construction by the city and referenced at every inspection to ensure your home is built as per approved plans. Every Empire Communities home is an ENERGY STAR qualified home. To earn the ENERGY STAR qualification, a home must meet strict guidelines for energy efficiency set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. ENERGY STAR qualified homes include features that contribute to improved home quality and homeowner comfort, all while lowering energy demands and reducing air pollution. Some of the features you can expect in your new home include effective insulation, greater thermal effectiveness, high-performance windows, airtight building practices and sealed mechanical ductwork, efficient mechanical equipment, and third-party certification, which increases your home's resale value significantly. Empire Communities conducts its own quality assurance inspection prior to your homeowner orientation appointment as an additional quality check. This is another initiative that we have implemented to improve the quality of your home. It's another set of eyes inspecting your home. The objective is to ensure that any deficiencies are addressed prior to your home orientation. The home orientation, also known as the PDI or pre-delivery inspection, is the second time you will be invited to visit your home during construction and takes place about 1 week before your closing day. Our home orientation representative will contact you to schedule your appointment. Appointments are approximately 1 to 2 hours long and are scheduled on weekdays during regular business hours. This is a great opportunity to get familiar with your home, including its mechanical components. You and the representative will complete a Certificate of Completion and Possession form, CCP, and a PDI form that you will sign. A copy of this signed document will be submitted to Tarion Warranty Corporation. It's almost time to move into your dream home. Here's how you can prepare for that wonderful day. Please ensure that our sales office has your lawyer's contact info. Your lawyer will receive the final closing documents 2 to 5 business days before your closing date. We recommend that you contact all utility companies about a month before closing to set up your accounts for your new address. Secure a mortgage advisor of a financial institution that you trust to secure your mortgage rate and handle the closing procedures with your lawyer. On your closing day, you are encouraged to check all your appliances to ensure there are no surface damages. Any such damage must be reported to the on-site customer service office within 1 business day so that it can be reviewed for your repair or replacement. Your appliance warranties are directly through the manufacturer. This is an exciting time. It's time to move into your dream home. Closings usually occur between 3 and 5 p.m. after the bank transfers are completed and the title is transferred at the provincial registry offices. Something to keep in mind when you're booking a mover. Your lawyer will contact you after the transfer of title is official. Once our site administrator notifies you, you'll be able to pick up your keys at the construction trailer. Your driveway will be a 2-stage asphalt paved driveway, completed with a base and finished top coat. The base coat will be scheduled within the first year of our paving schedule, which runs from May to November. The top coat is generally applied 1 to 2 winters after the base coat. Since your driveway will continue to settle after the base coat, Empire will use a gravel fill to repair any settlement until the top coat is applied. The final grading approval is a 2-step process. Once the engineers approve the grading, the township must come out and approve it. This can take up to 2 years. We caution homeowners not to install a fence or landscaping elements prior to final grading approval. If the grading is somewhat altered, the township or city will not give their approval and will instruct us to make any necessary grading repairs. This would involve us asking you to remove your fence so that we can make the necessary repairs to comply with the township's regulations. Empire installs sod in blocks of homes, as it's more efficient than installing sod according to closing dates. We'll give you notice beforehand when we're going to lay your sod. Your lawn will require immediate maintenance and care. Although your lawn is beautiful when it's freshly laid, it will only stay that way if you water and nurture it after it's installed. 1 year, Empire Community warrants your home free from defects in materials and workmanship for 1 year from the date of possession. All service requests must be submitted in writing by the 30th day, and then by the 1-year anniversary date. 2 year, Empire Community's 2-year warranty covers defects in the following areas: water penetration, air infiltration from the envelope of the home, and major deficiencies with heat distribution, plumbing, and electrical. 7 year, Empire Community warrants major structural defects for 7 years from the date of possession. This means anything that would make your home uninhabitable, such as the collapsing of load-bearing walls. An emergency is considered to be complete loss of heat, complete loss of electricity, a major plumbing leak, or water penetration into your home. Any emergency that occurs during regular business hours should be reported to your community service office immediately. If you experience an emergency after business hours, please call the Emergency After Hours information line. Weekdays from 5 to 11 p.m. and weekends and holidays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. In our effort toward continuous improvement, Empire Communities has arranged for our homeowners to receive customer satisfaction surveys. A company called Avid conducts these surveys on behalf of Empire Communities. You'll receive a post-construction survey shortly after your frame walk. You will receive another survey approximately 1 month after closing, and the final survey at your 1-year anniversary. Thanks in advance for taking the time to fill out these surveys. Your feedback is invaluable to us. We believe the process of buying a new home from Empire Communities is both pleasant and rewarding. We're proud that a large percentage of our home buyers have been referred to us. You too can make a friend and neighbor at any of our communities. And the best part is, when your friend or family member purchases an Empire home, you will both be rewarded. Just introduce them to our team and leave the rest to us. Thanks for watching.